This is John Black, Super Chemist. Here to do an easy video how to get. I haven't done this in like 20, 30 years, but I did look on eBay and Amazon and that I see that it's still happening. The way I used to get my formaldehyde was to buy paraformaldehyde. Now, paraformaldehyde is just a polymer of formaldehyde. It's a solid, and if you want it to be gaseous, you want it to actually be formaldehyde instead of paraformaldehyde, you just heat it up a little bit. You don't even have to heat it a lot, and it will break the polymer bonds and produce formaldehyde gas, which is pure as anything can be. Um, Now, how did I get it? Where's the best? Because they didn't have Amazon and eBay back in the day, right? I looked on Amazon. I'm sure eBay's the same thing though. Paraformaldehyde is $56 for a bottle, right? That's 1.5 moles, okay, for 56 bucks. A gallon of formalin, which is formaldehyde that's in water. It's usually like 34, 35, 40% formaldehyde. Now that's $30 a gallon, give or take. I've seen some for 25 a gallon. But where I used to, buy this stuff from was stores that deal with people that do photographs. Now today we have the digital photographs. Nobody really develops film. There are people that still do it as a hobby. There's people, artists that do it, that take pictures and they develop their own film. They have their own darkroom. And in order to do this, you need paraformaldehyde, okay? Do I suggest you buy, especially if you're on eBay or Amazon, do not buy more than one thing. If you get 1 gallon of formalin, don't be buying 10 gallons. I guarantee you that you will be investigated. If you buy some large, 50 gallons of formalin, someone's going to, think something's up. Okay, you buy 1 gallon, they just think you're using it for what it's supposed to be used for. Same with a paraformaldehyde. Buy 1 bottle. Don't be buying 50 tons of stuff. I guarantee you will get investigated if you buy too much. Okay. But if you just buy 1 bottle, here and there, do a little experiment here and there, you know what I mean? Yeah, that's no big deal. You just go to a place that, a computer site, and if you're near a big city, they probably have a place you can just walk into where they sell cameras and, dark room supplies and buy it right there from the person, you know what I mean? Otherwise, you'd have to look online and try to find a store, like I said, that sells stuff for people that have their own darkroom. And buy a bottle of formalin or paraformaldehyde from them. Otherwise, you have to make it, and making it is not fun. This chemical is very nasty. This is the way I draw it. This is the way most people draw it. But it's that simple. You know what I mean? Now, if you want large amounts, I don't know what to tell you. You have to make the stuff, or, start up a fake business and start ordering it that way, which I do not suggest because it makes you look like you're going to make drugs. But you could do it. Like I said, for the home chemist that just wants, like I bought a couple bottles back in the day just to do some experiments, you know what I mean? Then once you do your experiments, to have the formaldehyde is, it's a nasty chemical. You don't really want it sitting around. But it's that easy, and hopefully this winter I do have a video on how to oxidize methanol and ethanol into the aldehyde using copper oxide as the oxidizer. Will it work? I don't know. Now, if you want formaldehyde just to make methylamine, There is a way you can make it without using any formaldehyde. Nitromethane, which is anyone can get. It's the fuel that they put into radio-controlled planes, radio-controlled little cars that don't use electricity as the fuel. They use actual liquid fuel. They're using nitromethane and methanol with a little bit of castor oil in there. You can take that, put it under pressure with hydrogen, a little catalyst like rainy nickel or something like that, and some pressure, and you'll make methylamine from it. You don't need any formaldehyde. Anyways, it's just, and I'm going to do a video on that. I got my hydrogen bomb. That was my last video showing that. So anyways, that's it. Hope you all have a great day, and always remember, science is great.